The name of the platform I'm about to share with you right now is Pinnacle Wealth. And if you scroll down below, you will see that I currently have 12 USDT in my invest wallet, and in my brokerage wallet, I currently have 2.40 USDT, which is the amount I'm going to be withdrawing. So right in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use this platform and make money for yourself. But before that, if this is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Michael and this is Cash Creation Clan, where we share with you tips to make money online and grow profitable online business. So do well to hit the subscribe button and hit the drop down bell icon to get notified whenever I post any content like this. Also, don't forget to share this video with friends so that more people are going to be able to benefit from this amazing opportunity. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and I'll be available to respond to them as fast as possible. If you are not in our WhatsApp group and our Telegram channel, click on this link showing right here and you'll be able to join all our social media. This is our YouTube channel, our Telegram channel, our WhatsApp group, our WhatsApp channel, my Telegram handle, my WhatsApp handle, and so on. So do well to join any of our socials for you to be able to participate in all our amazing updates. Join our community. I would like to drop a disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational purpose only. Do not take any of these I say on this video as financial advice. Please do your own research before you make any investment. So before we continue with the video, I'm going to be making a live withdrawal in this video to show you that this platform really pays. So all you have to do is just to click on the withdraw button right here, and as you can see, the amount that was in my brokerage wallet was what I'm going to be able to withdraw. So there are two methods of withdrawal. You can withdraw using TRC20 and you can withdraw using WEB3 USDT, and the minimum amount for the TRC20 is 100 USDT. As you can see over here, if you go over to WEB3, the minimum amount is 1 USDT. So what does that mean? It means that we'll be making a withdrawal using the WEB3 USDT. So all you have to do to make your withdrawal is to input your withdrawal address over a WEB3 USDT, input the amount of withdrawal, then input your security password over, and after that you click on the confirm button and your withdrawal will be placed successfully. Now that I've successfully inputted all my credentials, I'll be clicking on the confirm button right now for my withdrawal to be placed, and as you can see over it says withdrawal successful. So wait patiently for the withdrawal to drop and check how long it is going to take the withdrawal to arrive into my crypto wallet. And boom guys, withdrawal has been received in my crypto wallet. You can check the time right here. I've successfully received the withdrawal in my crypto wallet. So all you have to do is just to go over to the video description, click on the link, and you'll be able to see the registration link to start making money for yourself using this wonderful and amazing platform. So once you click on the registration link, you'll be brought to this page. As you can see, it is currently saying here, high ROI, simple, secure, stake USDT to earn passive income. So if you click on stake now, you'll be opportune to register an account in the platform. If you click on app, you'll be able to download their mobile app. If you scroll down, you will see basically everything you need to know about the platform. As you can see over here, you'll be able to see their fixed percentage. You will read this to know more about them, their reliability guarantee and their allocation. If you keep scrolling, you will see their plans. From here, the minimum deposit is 12 USDT, and if you invest 12 USDT, you're getting 20% every single day. If you scroll down, you're going to see more. If you invest 2 USDT, you get 20 USDT every day, and so on. So you have to invest in the plan that is best suitable to you and invest in the plan that you can afford. So right now, we'll be clicking on stake now button for us to get started. So once you click on stake now, you'll be brought to this page. So you have to do just to input your email address over here if you are registering with your email. Then input your login password, input a security password, leave the invitation code the way it is and click on the registration button. But if you are not registering using email, just click on mobile and register using your mobile number. So once you successfully registered an account on this platform, this pop-up is going to appear. This is basically everything you need to know about the platform, all their informations and white paper. If you click on next, you see more things. So for you to remove that, just click on this cross button over there and you remove it. So right here on the screen, you see that I currently have 12 USDT in my invest wallet, and I have made a withdrawal at the beginning of this video. That's why my brokerage wallet is 0. So for you to get started on this platform, the first thing I will tell you to do is to go to recharge, to make a recharge into your account. So once you go over to that section, you will see that there are currently 5 recharge methods: TRC20 USDT, TRX, BNB, BEP20 USDT, and the BEP20 USDC. But me, I like making a recharge into my account using the BEP20 USDT. So if you click on that, the WEB3 USDT wallet address is going to appear. So right here, all you have to just click on copy over here, go to your crypto wallet, make the deposit of the amount you want to deposit. Don't forget that the minimum deposit is 12 USDT. Then right here, you have to read all these for you to know how to make a successful deposit. And after making the deposit, you come right here, click on recharge complete, go back to your dashboard. And when you go back to your dashboard, you refresh your page and your balance is going to add up. So once your balance is added up, the next thing you have to do is to go and stake. But don't forget, once you make a deposit, your brokerage wallet is going to increase immediately. So all you have to do is that you can place a withdrawal at that moment. Once you deposit the 12 USDT, as you saw at the beginning of this video, my balance became 2.40 USDT and I made the withdrawal. So once you deposit, you can withdraw. Then you have to come over to this section. If you are staking 12 USDT for 30 days, every day you'll be getting 20%, and which means in 24 hours you're getting 2.40 USDT, and in 30 days you get a total of 72 USDT. So all you have to do is just to click on staking, because me right now I'm staking 12 USDT. I'll just click on staking right here and click on confirm that I'm staking my USDT, and as you can see, it says stake successful. And right here you'll be able to track your staking. Right here my daily income will be 2.40, which is 20% based on what I staked. So as you can see over here, it is showing here, this is my staking details. So it is showing right here. So I have to do just to know everything about this platform. Follow this video step by step for you to know how to do everything. As you can see, the money has transferred from my invest wallet to my staked wallet. So if you go over to this section, you'll be able to see notifications about updates in the platform. Let us go over to these three lines, which is the menu. If you go over to this section that is written history, you'll be able to see all the transactions you made in the platform. As you can see, this is my invest wallet history. I made an investment of 12 USDT. Here I deposited 12 USDT. If you go to brokerage wallet, you see system increase of 2.4 USDT and my withdrawal of 2.4 USDT. If you go over to the section that says support, you'll be able to contact their customer care service. If you go over to the section that says referral program, this is an important way to also make more money for yourself. So if you refer friends, you'll be making more. Right here, you'll be able to see the number of people that clicked on your link but did not register. Here you see the number of people that registered. Here you see the number of people that made an investment. Here you will see your commission, then your team total recharge, your team total rewards, and your level, which is my level right now is level 1 because I staked in the level 1 product. So right here, this is your referral and this is your referral code. All you have to do is just click copy your referral link, share with friends, and make money. For your level 1 team, each of them you refer getting 10%, level 2 3%, level 3 1%. If you go back to the section that is saying settings, you'll be able to edit your language preference, your login password, and your security password. If you go back to the section that is written app, you'll be able to download their mobile app. If you scroll down, you're going to see the logout button. You'll be able to log out of the platform. Then right here, you'll be able to contact their customer care support.